Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a call if you guys are looking to improve your credit score, lower your car payment, buy a car, trade in a car. If you're looking to purchase your first home, if you're looking to purchase a rental property, we can help you. Give us a call today, 877-205-7771. Talk to you guys soon, and thanks again. Hello everyone, this is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone is doing well today. Today we're going to talk about 3 things you should never do when building your credit, okay? And of course, if you've seen any of my videos, I try to make sure that everything is a different topic and that we're not talking about the same things. And I really learned from you all, thanks to you guys. You've been so busy, well, keeping us busy, I should say, with all of the free credit report evaluations, which, by the way, if you haven't scheduled yours, you most definitely can do so. If you haven't seen the link, that's actually the link that you're probably seeing go across the screen down at the description, and that is the 850club.com/coach me, and we'll take a look at your credit report as soon as we can. We have dedicated Fridays to doing so. So let's get straight into the topic. So number 1, do not open more than one secured credit card. It just doesn't make sense to do so. The main purpose for a secured credit card is for one job only, and that is to report payment history. I see people all the time, they put $1,000, $500, $300, whatever it is on a secured card, and then because they're thinking that the more that they put on the secured credit card as a limit is going to affect their score. It would if you plan on using that much of it, but again, that's not the purpose of a secure card. The purpose of a secure card is to get you high enough to where you can start building the relationship with a more major brand card that is going to be unsecured. So that's number 1. Never open more than never open more than one secured credit card. That's what you want to do. So number 2, you don't want to create a relationship with every single person that sends you something in the mail, or when you go to Target, they ask you to say 5%, or when you go to Old Navy, or wherever you guys go and shop and whatever, they're going to be asking you, hey, do you want to open up XYZ? That's what they're supposed to do. When they work at those jobs, their management is being told, hey, how many applications did you guys get for credit customers and things of that sort, right? And then of course a lot of people fall victim to that, and you don't want to do it. Is not worth it, because again, a few reasons. Number 1, you're going to get that unneeded hard inquiry, okay? And then of course number 2, you're going to have all of these, if you do, assuming that you do get approved, right, you're going to have all these unnecessary accounts that you can only build if you plan on going to the store every single time. Now I know what you're thinking, well, Calvin, I shop at Target all the time, or I shop at Express all the time, right? Yeah, but at the same time, you don't want to do that when you're building credit, okay? Now when you get to like 680, 700, you could do stuff like that, because again, you don't have to worry about, if you have to worry about getting approved, you shouldn't have. That's the indicator right there that you shouldn't have to do it, okay? You shouldn't do it at all right? You cannot build a relationship with everybody, even if they're sending you mail. Everybody wants to do business with people when their score is starting to improve. And a lot of these cards and accounts, they're the same. You want to have it where you put yourself in a completely different category. And again, that next category is normally at 680 and beyond. Okay, so again, and there's also another category somewhere between 620, 640, somewhere in that range. But again, you cannot build a relationship with every single person that sends you something in the mail, or that asks you, do you want to apply? Okay, so again, those are the top 2. But again, number 3, this is going to be one of the most important ones that you have to remember when you're trying to build your credit. I see it so many times, and a lot of times, again, people, they just don't know where to get the information. They don't know where to get the guidance, okay? And really, I forgot. And that is asking for a credit limit increase while you're building your credit. Think about it. If you're in the 300s, 400s, 500s, you're building your credit. Now you're in the upper 4s, the upper 5s. Now someone says, hey, ask for a credit limit increase. A lot of people don't know that you cannot get a credit limit increase on a secured credit card. Thankfully, the bank won't run your credit for that, okay? But when you start to get those unsecured lines of credit and you're just not getting started, you're just not building your credit, it doesn't make sense to ask for a credit limit increase. Let them do that for you, okay? Because over time, what's going to end up happening is a lot of banks are still on the hard pull status, okay? There are some banks that start off as a soft pull, and then if you agree, it goes into a hard pull. But a lot of banks are hard pull right off the back, okay? There are some banks where they'll look at, like get your updated financials, if you got a new job, if you got, a new mortgage or whatever the case may be, and they'll look at that and they'll say, okay, perfect, this person is, they have some assets going on, and we'll give them a higher limit, with their account. But again, you do not want to ask for it while you're building your credit, all right? So hopefully this video was helpful. If you like it, you want to share it, and be sure to subscribe, as we got a lot more content on the way. Again, and also too, thank you guys so much for taking us to 10,000 subscribers. So we got a lot more great content on the way. You guys have a good one.